So we're gonna use lift cleaner to clean a grill, barbecue grill. This barbecue grill hasn't been used in a while. It's winter now, and the was purposely not cleaned just to see if we can use lift cleaner to clean something that's been residual on metal on the grill from fats of different meats and whatnot. We can clean that readily after it's been sitting on the grill for a long time. So just gonna spray the lift cleaner right onto the grill. I'm gonna start with a relatively soft bristle brush, but before we do that, that's for cleaning. We're just gonna see how much of this dried material that lift will take off just with a rag. So, as you can see, it takes it readily off. Now, if we are to use the brush, naturally, a lot of it will fall off. And this is a soft bristle brush, so some of the crud and solidified fat that's on there may not necessarily clean off because it's a soft brush. Typically a medium bristle or a hard bristle brush would be used to make sure you can get the crud off properly. So compared to this side, you can see how lift has removed most of the crud. Again, this is dried on stuff. What we might do is to get it to soak in, we might use lift on a rag and wipe down with that. Again, you can see that. And this, which has been untouched up here. Right, let's rinse it and see what happens. No power. Okay. Now, it's important to use plenty of water to make sure that there's no residual, with any cleaner anyway, no residual soap left on here, as you can see, compared to this here. As you can see, this is pretty clean. It actually takes less effort. If done daily, it actually takes less effort than doing it on something that's been sitting for a long time.